Check out this 2011 Mini Cooper Base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include driver illuminated vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, premium synthetic seats, front side airbag, passenger airbag sensor, power steering, cruise control, and passenger illuminated visor mirror. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.